Gatho negucoka riu the secret is out about Hellen Muthoni thutha wa andu gukorwo makimuria ciuria nyingi muno after posting this picture na ciuria iria Hellen atakoretwo agicokia. Andu marakoretwo makienda kumenya if at all Hellen is planning a wedding after posting this photo iria aronekanire ahithite uthio wa mundume uyu arakihuritwo mbica nake. Hellen kuringana na miario yake akoretwo akiuga ati she is taking her time to say yes to marriage, kuona kuri maundu we arenda makoro magiikara wega na kuona she is a successful woman and also a beautiful woman. Her followers ni makoretwo makienda kumenya akahikare. Koguo riria marakorirwo makiona mbica ino ya Hellen ahithite uthio wa mundurume fulani, maragikorwo na ciuria nyingi muno na angi maragikorwo magitikia ati it might be Hellen is planning a wedding atakumera. Na koguo thutha wa ciuria nyingi muno Hellen ni akorwo agicokia ciuria ciao na njira ya mwanya muno, kuria akorwo akihumburia uthio wa mundurume ucio na akorwo discourage aingi muno aria maretereire gugitwo uhiki wa Hellen, na agikorwo akimera ati she was just but shooting a music video. Agikorwo andu o uguo aria maretereire invitation ya uhiki wake akiuga this guy is just but featured in her now released music video. Ni ukuona comment iria andu maragikoretwo magitigira Hellen Muthoni thutha wa gukorwo magitikia ati definitely she's getting off the market mwaka uyu, but we have to wait a bit longer ama for more time to Hellen more time. Ni ndeto itagutenderithia makiria gucikinya hau. Make sure to turn on your notification and subscribe. Tucemanie na our next one.